historic match is going between India women versus England women's cricket team for the first ever match in Lord's cricket ground, and India now leading against England. India scored a big total and set a record of 457 runs and gave a big target to England women's cricket team. But yesterday in the last ball of the session, England only scored 130 runs and 6 wickets down. So now, today is the 4th day of the match and India women's cricket team only need 4 wickets to win the match. Win the historical match. Historic moment for Indian women's cricket team as our Indian captain Harmanpreet Kaur lead. So ladies and gentlemen, today we should need the 4 wicket against England and we should win the historic match. And world should know that Indian women cricket team also compete against England, Australia, South Africa, New Zealand, everywhere in the world.